In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit shared document Google Drive. Working on a shared document is one of the most useful features of Google Drive, especially when collaborating with teammates, classmates, or colleagues. It allows multiple people to contribute, make updates, and stay aligned in real time, all within a single file. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Google Drive website by typing drive.google.com into the address bar. If you are not already signed in, you will be prompted to log in. Make sure you are using the correct account that has been granted access to the shared document you want to edit. Once you are successfully logged in, you will arrive at your main Google Drive dashboard, where all your files and folders are displayed. From here, direct your attention to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Look for the section labeled Shared with Me and click on it. This area is specifically designed to store all files that others have shared with you, making them easier to find without mixing them with your personal documents. After opening the shared section, browse through the list until you locate the document you want to work on. If you have many files and it feels overwhelming, you can use the search bar at the top of the page to quickly find the document by name. Once you find the correct file, right-click on it to open a menu of options. From this menu, hover over the option that says Open With, and then choose Google Docs. This will open the document in a new tab using the Google Docs editor, where you can begin making changes. As you edit the document, you will notice that your changes are saved automatically. There is no need to manually save your work, which helps prevent accidental data loss. You may also see indicators showing if other people are currently viewing or editing the document at the same time, which is a key advantage of real-time collaboration. Keep in mind that any edits you make will be visible to everyone who has access to the file. This ensures transparency and keeps everyone on the same page. If you ever notice that updates are not appearing instantly, refreshing your browser can help restore synchronization. Once you have finished editing, you can simply close the tab or continue working as needed. Everything is saved automatically, so your updates will remain intact. And that's it. You now know how to edit a shared document in Google Drive and collaborate efficiently with others. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.